Hello, everyone. We are Group 18. Our project is a smart BnB recommendation and service platform. In the following video, we will discuss the current business landscape and pain, then provide a comprehensive introduction to our project idea and design. The rapid growth of the BnB industry indicates it's a market worth exploring. According to Airbnb's data, their Q2 2023 revenue reached $2,000 million, marking an 18% growth YoY. Additionally, CACC predicts the BnB market will skyrocket to $3.4 trillion by 2030. These demonstrate continued strong travel demand and BnB demand. Faced with such significant market growth, users not only have to deal with the choice of various platforms but also find it increasingly difficult to select from the multitude of accommodations within those platforms. Conversely, for platforms, just on Airbnb alone, there are hundreds of thousands of homes that would be left vacant. According to ESG's findings, BnBs can significantly reduce energy consumption and emissions. Let's take Airbnb as an example. When you open the Airbnb homepage, the sheer number of accommodations and the various types can make you feel overwhelmed, starting to have difficulty in making a choice. Are you lacking personalized lists of accommodations, not knowing where to start? Is the filtering process too complicated, and you're not getting the answers you desire? Don't worry. These are not issues when you use our Innjoy Smart Personalized Accommodation Recommendation Assistant. Your travel and accommodation bookings are no longer a hassle. With just a few simple steps, you can easily get everything sorted out. Now, let's take a closer look at the specific usage steps. First, we set up the environment according to the steps provided in the README. Entering the homepage, we can see the design concept on the dynamic homepage. We help you find suitable BnB as you wish. We are happy to create newest modern journey. Just follow us and start your brand new booking experience. Following the page's guidance, whether you click Get Started or Recommends, it will lead us to the registration and login page. In the video, we demonstrate the complete recommendation process for new users, from registration to logging in, as well as the full process for existing users when logging in and receiving recommendations. For new users, the first step is to input email and username, both of which can be used for logging into the system, and set a password. After completing the registration, you'll be directed to the Recommends page. On the left side of the page, there are some accommodations recommended for new users based on popularity scores. While on the right side, our chatbot is available. Our entire recommendation process is different from traditional accommodation booking platforms. It uses guided chat to understand user preferences, and the recommended results are displayed in the left side recommendation column for a more personalized BnB recommendation. Users start by entering their basic accommodation requirements and answer questions provided by the chatbot's guidance. With each answer to a question, the recommendation system updates 8 accommodations recommended based on the user's responses. Users can click on the corresponding images to visit Airbnb's page for detailed information. Obviously, there are some differences in the recommendations for existing users. After an existing user logs in, the system checks the historical order information associated with the user's ID and replaces the random recommendations on the left side with recommendations based on their order history. When the system receives input from the user regarding new preferences, it combines this input with the historical order information to provide new recommendations. For both new and existing users, we offer a convenient random exploration feature. Recognizing that some users may not have specific ideas in mind, they can click this button to randomly explore different BnBs, providing inspiration for their BnB choice. Of course, users won't receive poor BnB recommendations here. We ensure the quality of our BnB recommendations while providing a good user experience. Finally, clicking About will lead you to our team introduction and some of the features and concepts behind the design of the recommendation system. At this point, the complete function of our accommodation recommendation system has been presented. Wait. Are you talking about pricing? Of course, we haven't forgotten that. You might be wondering how our system competes with Airbnb, a globally renowned company. In fact, we never intended to compete with them, we prefer to think of it as a parallel relationship. Our goal is to assist users in easily filtering and getting more personalized accommodations that meet their specific needs, without the constraints of strict filtering rules. Then, we redirect users to the corresponding platform for booking. As we gradually accumulate users, we will seek partnerships with platforms to gain their financial support. At the same time, with a sufficient amount of stream of users, it will also attract advertisers to place ads within our system, which will also be a significant source of our funding. Thank you for watching. Hope you can experience the joy of travel. And more importantly, find accommodations that truly satisfy your needs.